After installation of the pump, you have to check in the panel the power is okay or not. Breaker is on. Now we have to check one by one. It's working properly or not. Here is showing 400 volt. Okay. 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 The power is okay. Now we have closed this, connect the wires and start the booster pump. For that you can come on the panel, on the breaker. On the motor, both the motor is now running. थोड़ा सा to now the both the booster pump is running. You can check it here. Both the booster pump is working normal. You can see the internal wiring of booster pump also. Both the booster pump you can check here. And the air pressure is coming, so it means the booster pump is working. The booster pump is completely installed now. And you can see the pressure tank. This is the pressure tank. And this is the pressure switch by which they are making pressure.